my good friend Jeff lives in a house. I took him to the mall in a van. He's retarded. I had to keep turning around and telling him to put on his seatbelt. He's 30 years old, but he's got no sense. He likes to thump himself in the face with his thumb and make frog noises. I'm supposed to yell at him about it, but I don't. I guess because out of all the people under my care, he's my favorite. I try to be fair, but when the two of us are alone in the kitchen, I'll slip him a slice of bologna. And in the van, I turned on the Christian rock station just for him. I like him because he's so retarded he can't talk. And yet his eyes are present. He's like a wolf. At the mall, I parked in the handicap spot. He got out and I held his hand crossing the street. Actually, he grabbed my arm. He's terrified of moving vehicles. He probably got run over once, maybe more than once. The plan was to get exercise marching around the mall. Jeff has this behavior, though. When he's in crowded areas, he sticks out his hand as if he's not paying attention. He lets it brush up against people, mostly women, usually in the thigh or groin area. They make a surprised face or ignore it or yell, "Hey, that's not very nice." Sometimes he goes for breast, but usually it's the crotch. Seems like he prefers women, but that doesn't stop him from occasionally touching a man. Once in a while they see it coming and jump out of the path. That always makes me laugh on the inside. I tell him to keep his hands to himself or no ice cream today. He only makes frog noises if he doesn't care, and I don't care either. I buy him ice cream anyway. Because what is this place with artificial trees, plants, and fountains of gurgling water? Notice the soft lighting and the faint merry-go-round music. Smell the ripe odor of hot dogs mixed with incense and scented candles. Everything seems not quite real. And here's Jeff, a stunted human figure who weighs no more than 120 pounds. Something about his face isn't right. It's underdeveloped and lopsided. He seems the sort of animal that might inhabit this strange indoor environment, and the herd of anonymous bodies roaming from store to store has no predator, so watch out. One time this guy in a suit came up to me. I don't know if he's a security guard or some sort of manager. He said, "You know, you really can't be letting him do that." I said, "We were just about to leave anyway." He walked us to the door, and I told him, "This mall, it's a nice place. You've got everything you need here." He stood in the doorway and waved as I hustled the retarded person into the van. That was the last time I'd bring him to Southdale.